Hi everybody, welcome back to Do Me a Solid. In today's quick tip, I'm going to be showing you how we're going to put this onto this. Okay, step 1, pick the plane you want to project your sketch from. Step 2, insert, DXF, DWG. Choose the file that you want to use. Click 2D Sketch, import as a reference. White background so you can see the DXF. Define your sketch origin. Click, apply, hit finish, and then you have your DXF applied to the plane. So what you want to do next is hit Control 5, in my case it was the top plane, and then you want to right click on the imported sketch and hit Make Edit Sketch. After you do that, you have several options you can take from here. Click on the sketch. You can move it along the y-axis, the x-axis, and you can also free move it by clicking on the circle or the quadrant to the right. Okay, one other handy feature is that if you hit the balloon at the right side, top right hand corner, you can scale it. Step 3. Select the sketch that you just applied. Grab the wrap command. Choose your sketch. Click the surface you want to project it on. Choose your thickness. Go ahead and close out. And there you go. You have a logo applied to an irregular surface.